Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox connection error. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Experiencing connection errors in Roblox can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to resolve these issues. Step 1. Basic troubleshooting. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix temporary glitches. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. If possible, use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your browser if you are playing Roblox on a web browser. Step 2. Advanced fixes. Change DNS settings. Switching to a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 can sometimes resolve connection issues. Clear DNS cache. Open command prompt and type ipconfig / flushdns to clear your DNS cache. Disable VPN proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it as it might interfere with your connection. Check firewall settings. Ensure that your firewall isn't blocking Roblox. You may need to add Roblox as an exception. Reinstall Roblox. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall Roblox to ensure you have the latest version and no corrupted files. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.